Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can um, add the rainbow doodle effects to your video in CapCut app. So this is the new effect for make your edits more interesting. Okay, I already have one project with one video, which is this video is in stock videos. So to add the rainbow doodle effects, just click effects and then select video effects. So I think CapCut is always updated with its features including effects, and so there are lots of effects that you can use to make your edit more interesting. One of them is rainbow doodle. So this is rainbow doodle, but this is pro effect. You have to join proper to be able to use this effect. Just click to apply it. Okay, just click on it again to adjust for the size, speed, builder, and texture. Just click check mark if you are done. Okay, that's it. And as you can see, for the final result like this. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. So thank you so much for watching.